Sweet, savoury, and surprisingly simple. Enjoy fall's delicious flavours with this fibre-packed butternut tart. Slice the squash, then peel downwards with a sharp knife. Cut in half again and scoop out the seeds. Now cut it into thin slices of about 5mm. The thinner they are, the quicker they will cook. Heat a drizzle of oil in your pan and add the butternut squash and garlic. Frying the squash gives it a nutty, richer flavour. Add the stock. This needs about 6 to 7 minutes to cook. Some dried thyme, salt and pepper will give it a warming, herby flavour. Meanwhile, melt the butter in another frying pan. Thinly slice an onion into half moons. Fry for about 3 minutes. Go in with a little sugar to offset the tang. These onions will become nice and sticky thanks to a generous glug of dark balsamic vinegar. Roll out the short crust pastry on baking paper. Load the tart with the onion confit in the centre. Then load up your tart with the butternut squash. Lovely. The blue cheese and the hazelnuts. Bake until the pumpkin is tender and the pastry is golden brown. Time for the fresh side salad. An incredible flavour combination that will definitely get you and your loved ones to the table in a flash. Enjoy!